Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Cisco Security Solutions to protect your network. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current network security needs. Identify potential vulnerabilities and threats to your network. Choose the right Cisco security solution that fits your requirements. Consider options such as Cisco Firepower, Cisco Umbrella, or Cisco AnyConnect. Once you have selected a solution, create an account on the Cisco website. Download and install the appropriate software for your chosen solution. Follow the installation prompts carefully. After installation, launch the application to begin configuration. Start with the initial setup wizard, which will guide you through the basics. Enter your organization's details and set up administrative accounts. Configure network interfaces according to your organizational layout. Implement firewall rules to define what traffic is allowed or blocked. Regularly update your rules to adapt to new threats. Set up VPN configuration if you're using Cisco AnyConnect. This will secure remote access for users connecting to your network. Enable threat defense features within the Cisco interface. Activate intrusion prevention systems to monitor and block malicious activities. Utilize Cisco's automatic updates to keep software current. Monitor your network using Cisco's dashboard features. Review logs regularly to identify any unusual activity. Configure alerts to notify you of significant incidents. Conduct periodic security assessments to evaluate the effectiveness of your setup. Train your staff on using Cisco solutions effectively. Encourage good security practices within your organization. Regularly revisit and update your security protocols as necessary. Stay informed about new features and upgrades from Cisco to enhance your defenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.